Of this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, privacy glass, driver illuminated vanity mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, LED headlights. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.